When you want to feel comforted and soothed, the Vicks family is here to help you. Medicated Vicks vapors for powerful cough relief. They're if you really need to get some sleep for non-medicated comfort. Mess-free vapor stick goes on neat in your bag or right at home, all yours to keep. Attach the vapor patch to loved ones. For comfort to follow. Easy to pull off when it's tomorrow in need of a bath. Pour the VapoBath crystals in. You're here to relax. Take a moment and breathe in for moisturizing comfort. Try the vapor cream on this counter for a refreshing spa experience. Place this vapor shower tablet in the shower no matter the moment. From morning until night, Vicks vapors will relax you so you can sleep tight. Vapo for every occasion from Vicks, a trusted brand for over 125 years.